happy Saturday. I hope you guys are having a great day whenever you're watching this. I'm just in the mood to do things and I really want to vlog and I have no idea what we're gonna get up to today, but I guess that's the fun of it. I'm gonna tell you guys a little secret that typically when I vlog, I actually make the title before the content, which I feel like the normal way is to do it the other way around, to film the content and make a title based on the content, but I actually make my titles and then film around the titles. But today, I have no idea what we're doing, except that we need to have a very serious talk about traveling and COVID. So I'm really excited to tell you guys some things. We're gonna have a little mini Q&A in here. We're gonna do some productive things and we're gonna get a lot of computer work done and like a lot of behind the scenes stuff done. I hope you guys like those vlogs. I know I love behind the scenes vlogs, so I'm gonna do one of those for you guys. We're gonna hang with Stella, we're gonna have a yummy dinner, and I'm excited to bring you guys along on my afternoon. And just really, really excited to bring you guys all along on a little vlog. So let's do it. Let's make coffee in a spooky mug. It's time to do the things. So typically weekends are like my chill time, but I just have a lot to get done this weekend, and when Matt's not here, I like to just get stuff done, because then on Matt's days off, I like to spend time with him. So we're gonna grind it out. I have a lot of like YouTube side hustle stuff to do. My good friend Tess on YouTube just made a video all about like working on her side hustle. I'll link it down below because it was like one of my favorite vlogs of hers. But today's kind of one of those days for me. I need to like shoot some Instagram content. I need to edit a ton of videos and just do that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna take you guys along on that. So it's gonna be a productive kind of evening in the side hustle, but I love these videos. So let me know if you guys do too. So yeah, I just want to busy evening, which is why we're having an evening coffee. So yeah, that's what's going on. Let's make a to-do list, see what we have to do, and just grind it out. Grind it out so that we can have an unproductive day tomorrow, which is just the truth, guys. I'd rather get everything done in one day and then be able to do nothing tomorrow. So I'm not always productive, see? I have my days. So not too much to do. I just, like I said, I have a lot of like editing, Instagram kind of stuff to do, and I feel like I don't show that as much, which is why I wanted this vlog to kind of be like side hustle-y for you guys. So super excited about that. This is the best candle in the world and you guys need to go get it. It is the only Bath & Body Works candle in the world, and I don't even like Bath & Body Works that much. I just wanted some like fall ones. This smells amazing. We love it. So just want to say that really quick. But yeah, let's drink some coffee. Let's do some to-dos. Also, I've been like really seriously thinking about upgrading my camera to a Canon M50. So if any of you guys vlog on an M50, let me know. I know Julia Christ does, or Christ, I don't know how to say it, and her quality improved so much when she got it. And I think Lauren Doan does too. So I'm thinking about upgrading. Let me know if you guys have one, but that's what I really want to upgrade to. So I have a Canon M100, highly recommend it to any like first time vloggers. It's a good camera. I'm just at a point where I want to up my quality, you know? So that's that. Also, if you're wondering why we're not outside today, every time I go to film, listen to this. She can play with the water bottle. It's because it's raining. It's super gloomy and like chilly. So it's a perfect cozy little fall day, even though it's not fall yet. But also really excited because Matt and I are going to go to an apple orchard with Stella on Monday. It's a holiday here. It's Labor Day. Well, actually, I think Labor Day is an American thing too. We're going to go to an apple orchard and I'm so excited. So that's fun. Can you hear that? Okay, I'm gonna edit for a little bit before I chat with you guys about the whole like trip thing. So let's get some editing done. There's nothing better to me than cozying up to my computer with like a coffee and editing. I just love it. Also while she's preoccupied. My Halloween shop and decorate with me is all done and edited. Now I have to do the hardest part, which is like my little 10-second clip that goes at the beginning of the video. It's like in today's video. I've been trying to do that recently and it's been working on the videos that I've been putting it on. So that's the hardest part because I have to find like a few 1-second clips of the video to use. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Show you guys how it turns out. You can have a little sneak peek, and then we're on to editing video number 2. Just finished the little like intro portion to my Halloween video, which is awesome. All we left to do is finish my work week vlog, do the thumbnail for my fall shop and decorate because that's going to go live tomorrow. I'm not going to get to do this today, which is okay. Reminder, it's okay to not get stuff done on your to-do list. And then I want to talk about going on a trip in this vlog and then plan my uploads for next week. So let's keep grinding. That video is done. Now I just need to do the thumbnail because if I don't do it now, I'm not going to do it. And then tomorrow it's not going to have a thumbnail. So I really want to take some time doing this thumbnail because I want to make it really nice and appealing since this is like a very popular video this time of year. I want to make sure people click on it. So I'm going to spend some time and make a thumbnail for this. I'm so excited that it's finally going up. It feels like I've been just wanting to do it for forever. But first, let's take a break and chat about traveling. Guys, this is something I'm super excited to talk to you guys about, but also a little bit nervous, and you'll probably be able to tell why by the title of this video. But truly an honest and open person, and I want to share this with you guys. And I just want to start this off by saying we're kind of at a point with COVID where we need to return to like a new normal. And I'm saying this from the perspective of someone that works in healthcare and worked with COVID patients and was exposed 6 times to COVID. I had 4 swabs. So guys, take me seriously, please. Guys, take me seriously, please. But I know most of the comments will be positive, but a few will be negative, and I'm ready to deal with that. But I just want to say we're kind of in the phase of COVID now where I feel like you have to do what you're comfortable with, and if you're not comfortable with it, that's okay. But don't judge others for making a decision unless it is truly like stupid and selfish and unsafe. But don't judge others for their decisions if it's safe. Just because you're not comfortable with it doesn't mean that you need to hate on someone. So I've pondered for a while whether I'm even gonna bring this up, but I want to let you guys know that Matt and I booked a trip for February. Oh, I can't believe it. It really doesn't feel real even because it's 165 days away, but I'm gonna take you guys through kind of like logic of it and whatnot. So obviously you guys know we're supposed to be in Disney actually in 2 weeks, and we canceled that trip. And I had already taken vacation for February 18th to 26th because it's Princess Half Marathon weekend. You guys already know, and if you don't, well, I love Disney and I love running at Disney. So I'd already taken that off work, and Matt and I have been pondering for the last little bit about when I would go and visit my dad. If you guys don't know, my dad and stepmom live in Florida. I'm really close with both my parents. And I typically see my dad in Florida every 3 months. Obviously, because of COVID, I couldn't, and I know I'm not the only one. I don't want this to be a sob story, but just know it has been extremely difficult on my mental health because obviously the last time we saw each other, we didn't know it would be the last time. COVID wasn't even a thing. So it's been really hard on my mental health, not knowing when we're gonna see them next. Obviously, the border is open to immediate family, and I could travel right now, but it would not be smart because my job is not fully from home right now. I'm working like remotely half the time. So I'd have to take a 2-week unpaid quarantine, which I just can't afford. So that's why we haven't crossed the border yet. We have pondered with the idea of booking a trip. Now, please know that we will only be going on this trip if things get better. I'm gonna explain why we booked it in a second. Also, I'm sorry if this is like ranty. I just really want to get my whole point across to you guys. So if you guys don't know how Disney works, basically you pay your deposit and then your whole balance of your trip is due 30 days before. Now Matt and I had pondered what we're gonna do, and since I already had the week off in February, we decided that we were going to book the trip. That way it's there if we can travel, and if we can't, we're gonna cancel it. So I'm not 100% saying we're going, but it's there if we can travel. We will be going if conditions stay the same or get better. I know there's talks of a vaccine, and I don't want to get into like politics and stuff, but yeah. So basically our trip to Disney is booked for February 18th to the 26th, and obviously at some point we have to return to a new normal, but obviously if we feel unsafe going, we would not be going. But it's kind of just on the highly probable chance that we can go. You know what I mean? I mean, it's hard because I see people in the States already traveling. Like one of my favorite bloggers just went to Mexico, and I'm like, I'm gonna get shit on for saying this, but you're not. So it's just kind of like hard. And obviously, please know this is like very vulnerable for me to post on the internet right now, but I just like being super upfront with you guys. So we have that booked. Like I said, a lot can change between now and then, so we're hoping for the better. But at some point we have to start living our lives again, and I truly at just some point need to see my family. Like it's just taking such a toll on me mentally. So that's that. Please know we will take all the proper precautions. I'm really hoping we can go so I can vlog the experience in like the airport for you guys and show you guys how it is, because I'm really curious. I know a lot of people have said they've actually felt the safest at Disney and flying, and so yeah, obviously I'll give you guys more details closer to, but you guys know I need to be open and upfront with you guys. So we have that booked. I'm really excited. Fingers crossed that we can go. I can't wait to vlog the whole thing for you guys, get back to my happy place, run a half marathon in my favorite place, and just be there with my favorite person, which is Matt. So we're really excited about that. But like I said, we only really booked it because we knew we could get our money back. So basically 30 days out from the trip will be around January 18th, and that's when we'll make our final decision if we're going or not. And I'll obviously keep you guys posted, but I just wanted to let you guys know that I don't want to hide anything from you guys. So let's get back to editing. Cheers. Editing Brave to Eat dinner, which is just like a Southwest salad kit. Threw in some brie in there, so I just made the salad kit real bougie, but yeah. And then I added some chicken skewers from Costco. So yummy little salad for dinner. Still drinking coffee. A weird duo, but I'm kind of about it. So I need to change my background to be more Halloween-y, but I just got a second video edited and exporting, so I feel really good. I really try and be ahead of my videos at least by 2 uploads, so I'm feeling good about that. I love these so much. You can get them at Costco too. They're like keto nuggets. They're so good. I get mine at HomeSense, Home Goods, and then I put them in the freezer, and they're like the best little snack. And the macros are actually really good on them for a serving. So anyways, they have all natural ingredients that you can pronounce, which we love. But yeah, highly recommend getting these at your local HomeSense. They're so good. Such a good little healthy dessert. Look how tall she is, guys. She could jump on stuff. Hi. Are you so cute? Also, guys, she fits into her big girl collar from Wolf Concept that they sent us. Yeah, she fits in it. She's a big girl now. Are you a big girl? Should we take your 12-week picture? Do you want to go do that? It is the next day, and I just want to show you guys my lunch. So, having a blueberry bagel because Costco blueberry bagels are the best thing in the world. And Matt was actually super sweet, and he made some cold brew the other day, which was so yummy. So I'm having some of that with some oat milk. You guys, real coffee lovers drink it all year round, even though it's fall technically almost here in Canada. Still drinking my iced coffee. So that's my little lunch, and yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. I haven't been vlogging as much of Stella lately, but this is what she's doing. She has all these toys and still wants to shred cardboard. She doesn't eat it. She really just likes to shred it. Stella, what are you doing? And I'm in the car now, and I'm listening to my bestie gal on Amanda's podcast. Literally one of my favorite podcasts and my fave YouTube creator. So this is the best day ever. Guys, I just got to the little outlets that are near us. There's not like too much. I'm just gonna go to a few stores just to see if I can find a fall hat and then maybe like a few fall pieces. I really want to get into posting more fashion on my Instagram, but obviously your girl ain't made of money and she's trying to pay off student loan debt. So I really like going to more inexpensive stores like Ardennes, Urban, Planet Not Outfitters, like Old Navy and Marshalls and stuff, just to get like seasonal pieces. So I'm gonna go there and see if I can get a brown hat. Matt and I also have a little anniversary trip in a few weeks, which I'm so excited. I'm actually bringing you guys along because it's for a brand which is insane to me. So I want to try and find some cute stuff for then. I want to find some cute stuff for then as well. But honestly, I wasn't gonna vlog today because really I was like, this is gonna be an unproductive day and no one's gonna want to see it. And then I was like, Carter, no, you need to show the world that you don't always have productive days, because the haters love to tell me how it's bad to be productive all the time. And guess what? I'm not being productive today. I will not be cleaning the house. I will not be doing dishes. I will not be making a to-do list, and I will not be editing. We're literally gonna shop and then go home and take a nap. So you know what? This is real life. But just why not vlog today? So let's go inside and see what we can find. Alrighty guys, I just got home from my little shopping adventure and I'm so excited with what I found today. I spent less than $30, which is actually really awesome for what I got. The only thing I couldn't find was my freaking brown fedora hat, but there's one on Amazon that I think I'm gonna buy. So the first thing I wanted was a pair of brown flats. Fall, so they're just like these super nice brown color. I'll try and link them down below for you guys if I can, and I believe they were $17.90 and I got them for 40% off, so they were like less than $12, which is awesome. And then I've been looking for like a rust colored cardigan, which is showing up kind of red, and I got this one from Old Navy, which is actually funny. So it's a large, but it's a petite, which is ironic because I'm 5'11", but the petite stuff for some reason was on sale and the regular stuff wasn't. So this was like $17.99 or something, $16.99, and I really like it. It's really slouchy. I will link it down below. I know it's on the website. It's like their slouchy open front cardigan, I think. It's actually kind of like a shorter sleeve, which I really like, so I can like wear it now. But yeah, it's just this like slouchy kind of cardigan. I'm really craving a barbecue chicken pizza, so I had pizza in the fridge and I was like, let's make one. Also, my pizza dough looks so giant and deformed, but I couldn't get it to roll out, so I guess we're just gonna have thick pizza. I don't know. Stella knows that there's food here. Look at her. She's like, yes, mom, where are the goods at? So I cut up some leftover chicken we had. I'm just really all about getting stuff out of the fridge because if you guys want to know, we packed our fridges right now. I need to get stuff out of it. It's driving me crazy. Nah, cut up some, I didn't have red onion, which is like such a barbecue chicken pizza thing, but whatever. Brie, found some barbecue sauce, some bacon bits. I don't know, we're gonna have a fun time. So, why does my pizza look so deformed? I feel like I need to roll it out, but I can't now that it's cooked. Our pizza looks. I'm impressed. It looks so yummy. I can't wait to eat this. I'm gonna wait for it to cool down for a little bit. Plus it's only 4:40. Does anyone else like to eat dinner early or is it just me? Matt likes to eat dinner late. I'm an early dinner eater. I'm weird, but I really like to eat dinner at like 5. To sit down with my pizza. Look how good that looks. I didn't put a ton of barbecue sauce on it, but also does anyone else like to dip their pizza in Caesar dressing? Just me? I prefer garlic, but we didn't have any. Stella's really hoping a piece falls down so she can eat it, but I think it turned out so well. Guys, we got Stella this little, I think it's called a snuff. I don't know. I saw Angie Bellmare talk about it. But basically, you can hide treats in it and stuff to make them search for their food. Alf is a very, very quick eater, and we got her a slow feed bowl, but she's too small for it. So we got this yesterday, and we're gonna try it out tonight. So I'm gonna put her kibble in here, see if she likes it. Okay. You guys can tell, but the kibble is kind of like all in it. She's so excited. Alrighty guys, it's a little while later. It's about 6 now. I honestly think I'm gonna take a nap, and so is Stella. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog off here. I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. Let me know if you guys want to see more weekend of my life videos because I feel like I never vlog my weekend, and I don't know, they're just usually not as productive, but let me know if you guys want to see more of them because I'd be so happy to film them for you guys if you guys enjoy them. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy because it helps the algorithm a lot. Subscribe if you're not already for more vlogs, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!